I've seen that you enjoyed my first video on what you shouldn't do in a manual transmission vehicle, and on your request I decided to make another one on the same topic, so here we go. Number 1. Don't rush when launching. There's no need to floor it, especially if you have front wheel drive like I do. Simply rev the engine to around 3,000 to 4,000 RPM and go. It's much better for the clutch, plus you won't have any wheel spin. So here's how you shouldn't do. And here's how you should do it. Number 2. Do not overrev the engine when starting from standstill. Most of the times I start with 1000 RPM. I barely touch the acceleration pedal, and that's the best way to start. In this way you will add minimum wear to the clutch. So avoid start like this. If you just started driving a manual and you don't have too much experience, you will overrev it at the beginning. But over time, you'll get better, trust me. Number 3. When switching from reverse to first gear and you're in a rush, make sure to stop first. Don't do it like this. By repeatedly doing this, you will add extra wear to the clutch. So make sure to stop first. Do not rest your foot on the clutch. Even if you barely touch the clutch, you might add enough pressure to slightly engage the clutch. In this way, you will add excessive wear on the clutch disc and on the bearing. Simply rest your foot onto the left. Number 5. Do not wait at the stoplight with the clutch pedal pressed. People who are afraid to stall the car or who are driving a manual for the first time have this habit. Simply put it in neutral and take your foot off the clutch. It's that simple. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to watch my other videos on manual transmissions, launching a manual car, rev matching, and rev matching with pedal shots. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.